What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the bone boss from Fortnite. Let's begin today's lesson all the way up to the top of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now I'm bring the right eye all the way over towards the right side. So let's line at the top, come all the way down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to push the pupils towards the outside of the eyes. So on the left, draw a smaller circle, and we'll fill that in black. And we'll line that up over on the right side. Now in between the eyes, we're going to draw the top of the head. Let's start with a curve, going up, and then bend that back down. I want to continue this curve along the bottom of the eye, going out and then down with a short curve. Let's round up the head, and down in the middle. I'm just going to bend that up on the right, going out and then rounding out the bottom corner. Let's add a thick bag underneath the eyes. Start from the outside, come down, and then up along the inside. And we'll fill these areas in black. Now you want to place the teeth along this line. So we're going to start in the center with the left side. We're going to go up with a half oval and then bend that down. Let's do the same thing on the right, going up and then down. Now add two smaller ones on either side. Let's add that olive on the top left side of the head. So right here, we're going to draw an oval. We're going to go all the way around, come down, and then back in. Let's add a circle on the left side. And then we'll add that toothpick coming down in an angle. So we'll start with two straight angled lines along the top, and then we'll round this out. Now with the top of the head complete, let's draw on the tongue. We'll start over on the left side. We're going to bend the tongue going out towards the right, and then down towards the bottom. Let's round up the tongue, and then pull that back up on the right side. Let's follow that same curve, going up and then in underneath the head. Let's go out to the side. We're going to add a bracket. And then we'll connect the ends with a curve, and we want to go in behind the tongue. So start on the left side, continue up on the right. Let's add that cheese. Starting on the left, come down, then in. Let's bend this in, and then up in behind the tongue. Continue that curve coming down towards the right, and just tuck that up and in underneath. Now underneath the cheese, we're going to add another bracket, going around and then in, and then again just connecting that bottom with another curve, going in behind the cheese and the tongue. Let's add the bottom edge of the bun, curves around and then in towards the bottom. And then again, just adding that curve, coming down, then in, and then back up. Now you're going to draw those same teeth along the bottom, going the opposite direction. So we'll start right in the middle, come down and up towards the left. We'll add one more tooth. Now with the head complete, let's draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to bend this out and then down towards the hip. Let's go underneath the tongue, going out and down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips with a curve. Let's draw that same curve along the top, going down and then up. Leave a gap in the center and draw two lines. Now our character has a bow tie along the top, so we're going to start with a square right in the middle of the body. From the bottom corners, angle is down and out. From the top, we'll go up and out, and then flatten off the sides. Let's add that spine in the center. So underneath the tie, draw two lines coming down, and we'll round out the bottom. Now I'm going to add three sets of ribs along the outside. So start from the side of the tie, going out and bending it down, bend that in and then down towards the side, go up underneath the tongue on the right. Let's add another one, going up and then out. taper that in, and then round up the inside. Let's do that one more time. Going out and down. Pull that in, and then round out the inside. Now underneath the buckle, we're going to step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting on the left side, coming down and then up. On the left side, we're going to curve the foot. We're going to go up and then bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Let's go to the top of each foot, draw a straight line going up, draw a straight line coming in, angle this down and in, angle down and out on top of the feet. Let's close off the side of the leg, starting from the hip, bending this out, and then down on top of this line. Let's move back down and add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Let's add a strap going across the top of the foot, so we'll start right in the middle, bend this in and then down. Move out and draw that again. From the inside point, we're going to draw that strap with a straight line coming in, move down and draw that again. Let's add a bone in the center of the shin pad. We're going to start with two straight lines going up side by side, and then we'll round out the top. Let's add some more detail to the legs. We're going to start from the hip, then it's in and then down on either side. Now I'm just going to round up the bottom, go up and in, and then back out underneath the belt. Let's add that bone along the side of the leg. I'm going to bend this up and in. Let's round up the top, come down. Now I just want to taper this coming out and then down in behind that shin pad. Now we're going to add a pouch on the left hip. Starting from the top of the belt, we'll go straight out, go straight down and back in towards the leg. And we'll add a small pouch on the right side. From the bottom of the belt, go out and straight down. Let's add that strap across the shoulders. From the top of the body, we're going to step out, bend this around, and then in towards the side. Let's line at the bottom on the right, going out and up underneath the tongue. Now let's draw on the arms. From the bottom of the strap, we'll step up, bend this around and down. Do the same thing on the right. From the wrist, draw a small half circle coming in and out for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb and come down and then bend that up around the bracket. Step down towards the side, add the second finger, going out and then up. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, blend this into the arm, going up and then in underneath the head. Let's separate the wrist, starting from the top of the thumb, bend this up and then out. Let's move up and draw that same curve, coming in. And we'll add a bone inside the strap. Starting from the left side, come in with 2 curves, and we'll round out the inside. Let's add 3 finger bones along the top of the hand, starting from the outside, going out, rounding out the bottom, and then going back up towards the strap. Let's do that 2 more times, working our way towards the thumb. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's add 2 arm bones on each side, starting on top of the wrist, go up, just going to round up the end, come back down. Let's do the same thing on the right. So we go a bit thicker along the end and come down. Let's add one more bone along the top. So we'll start underneath the head, go wider along the bottom, and go back up. And do the same thing on the right. And it's Sana art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the bone boss from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.